I'm about to blow your mind. God says, I'm going to raise up the ruthless Babylonians to punish the people of Judah. And now Habakkuk is even more troubled. He's even more bewildered because he looks at how sinful Judah is and recognizes that the sin of Judah has nothing on the sin of Babylon. How are you going to use a nation more wicked than our nation to correct us? And Habakkuk is scratching his head. How is this going to work? And to cut across the field, God says, just write the vision and make it plain. God says, listen, you might not understand how I'm going to do what I'm going to do. He says, but on the other side of judgment, on the other side of punishment is restoration. Now, somebody here knows he's the God of restoration.